No, big up on yourselves, guys. Once more, again, bars beats. Now, today, in the program, I got decode this a song. It's called On God, and it is done by Shatta Wale, king of Africa dancehall, African dancehall. You see me? Yeah, man. So, Shatta Wale is from Ghana, which is in Africa, right? And he came to the Freedom Street concert that was held in Jamaica, the 31st December 2024. And he performed this song. And from then it had been circulating on social media. Now, Shatta Wale is one of my favorite dancehall artists from North Africa. Him and Stone Boy. Now, Stone Boy is apparently their rivals in the music business. I don't know when them are going to fix that or how them are going to fix that, but that is for another story. I'm going to talk about Shatta Wale now. Now, Shatta Wale, if you did that Jamaica, I tell you, say, you'd be a bad man, because Shatta mean bad man at Jamaica. See? Me don't know what it mean at Ghana, but I love to know still. And me I put it out in the universe, you go watch that video, yeah? And you go tell me. See me? Anyway, I could move on. I want to hear the song, I go decode it and things. So just remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you want the latest videos, when them drop, because them always a drop, click the notification bell. Alright, make we go in it. Yes? On God.
10 million lashes, but I no cry. 10 years burial, but I no die. Take what's rightfully mine.
Yes.
Take what's rightfully mine.
Alright, from early out. If I hit the bars then properly, you know. Yeah, man. Very true. Must say 10 million lashes, but him not cry. Bury me. I'm still alive. So you try to do everything, he's still around. Alright? I could go further now, because I have to take it from early, you know.
But that aside, you don't know me, you for cuckoo. I say this head bigger than your duku. Stubborn academy, we like to shoot too.
Alright. So I must say, basically, when I say in the first part, so I compare. You realize him compare and contrast with him lyrics. So if you go further back what him say, watch out now.
Take what's rightfully mine, but that aside, you don't know me, you for cuckoo. I say this head bigger than your duku.
Alright, so him say, if you don't know me, you're for Google. Now when he say for Google, he mean Google. Zane? So if you don't know him, you're for Google. It means I go search a Google. But to how him say it, and that he mean so. Right? This head is bigger than your duku. And duku in Ghana, it means a head wrap. So I must say his head is bigger than the head wrap. So you can't wrap up his head. So if as you realize the progress of this song, it's basically, I say, it talking about resilience, determination, and people trying to hold him down. So the more you try to hold him down, and the more him up him thing. See?
Stubborn academy, we like to shoot too. One bullet, I say, chale, it go make you poo-poo.
So one bullet make you poo-poo. Boy, I mean, no, say poo-poo mean shit up yourself, you know. Shatta. Alright, we'll go back a little further so we catch it back again. Now, here we go.
Chale, it go make you so take your trailer, and I'll be famous like Mali and the Whalers.
Well, I hear a man say this, so. He'll take his bicycle, and you can take a trailer, and he'll be famous like Marley and the Whalers. Now, okay. Well, we are yard, brother. So I must say basically, no matter what you take, it's still gonna be famous. You take your bike, you might take him bicycle, you go take your trailer, he's still gonna be famous. Marley and the Whalers, Marley is and the Whalers is Bob Marley. And Marley and the Whalers, the most famous groups, the most famous reggae music group ever. Hands down, argument done. So him still I say, if you take your bicycle, if him taking bicycle and you take a trailer, still I got more famous. He still I got famous like Marley and the Whalers. You see me? Alright, Shatta Wale, go back a little further so make we catch your line good. Well, we'll go further.
And I'll be famous like Mali and the Whalers. And one bullet I say, chale, it go make you poo-poo. On a bicycle, So take your trailer and I'll be famous like Mali and the Whalers. I know they kiss us, fuck all your favors. Nobody bigger than God, Jehovah. You know go fi show me nothing. Bring horse, I go bring my tortoise. On God, me I promise. You go be the hour of the day.
Okay. Let me tell you something. We might chat some words tonight. So, when you go in the chorus part, you know, and he must say, "On God, I'll promise." Now, on God, I promise, it is basically an affirmation. If he say, he's still gonna make it. You understand? He's gonna make it out no matter what you do. Alright? So make we go back further in it. Now watch out now.
Bring my tortoise. On God, me I promise. You go be the hour of the day.
So we go back a little further again and catch the part where I say, watch it.
I go bring my tortoise. On God, me you know go fi show me nothing. Bring horse, I go bring my tortoise. On God, me I promise.
Voila. So I'm saying if you bring your horse, it's gonna bring his tortoise. Now the horse is the faster animal. The tortoise is the slower one. So I must say, if you bring your horse and he bring his tortoise, him still a go win. No matter easy, you know. It no matter what you bring, he's still gonna win. And God, I promise, you're gonna be the hour of the day of the hour. I can't pronounce it like on Shatta Wale, but basically, when I look for the hour, I don't know if I spell it right, it has a person who born on Thursdays or a female name, Ewa or something like that. But based on the context of all the song, right, I know same as say, you're going to be the fool of the day. And if you want to be more explicit, you're going to be the asshole of the day. Him still a go win. Shatta, this is the determination song. May I tell you, affirmation song this. Go further.
You could be the hour of the day. If you don't know you for act, stop rushing. This teeth you the scene it brushing. On God, me I promise. You could be the hour of the day. 20 million years, you know if you stop me. I am the news and I'll make you keep talking. How many years you want to plot me? I'm like the air, you know if you catch me.
Hold on, because if I make it run too much, I forgot what him say. Yeah, man. 20 years you try to block me. I'm on the news, you still are going to watch me. So, him still I say, people still are trying, them are still trying to block him. And when I try to block him, I think he's talking about the people in the music industry. So I don't know if it is real or it's just for the purpose of this song. So you try to block him, he's still on the news, making the news, somewhere, shape or form, and he must say, hey, I'm like, don't forget me. And you know, hey, I'm not forgot me, like, you know, like you left out somebody and forgot him over. That's why he must make you know, say, yo, still there now. I'm still here. No matter what you do, I'm still here. So that him basically I say now. So, may I tell you, the thing a flow. From the first verse to here so, it a flow, not no drop.
This fucking beats me, I play 'em. Make I take fuck up some sellouts. Them be hungry things me, I say 'em. I day America, come fight me here now. So you know they say people love me. You know she say I live in luxury.
Okay. So I take a hear for the sellouts. So that are the people who sell out the industry. But he go on, you know. And he's saying he's in America. Try come rush me. And then you will see how people love me. Now if you where I say this or no, so he's from Ghana. He's a Ghanaian. And you say if him they are Ghana, you definitely cannot rush him there. You will know what time it is. Even Skellion. But now he's in America. Try come rush him now. And then you'll see what time it is too. Because people down there still love him. You're gonna see that. So don't try rush him. Also he's living luxurious. Go on. We go back further again. So now hear him say properly.
Them be hungry things me I say I day America. Come fight me here now.
Yeah man.
So you know they say people love me. You know she say I live in luxury. We know all of you be hungry for this industry. You know go fi show me nothing. Bring horse, I go bring my tortoise. On God me I promise. You go be be there all the day. If you don't know, you for ask, stop rushing. This city, the scene it brushing. On God, me I promise, you will be there all the day. Sabotage, then try sabotage.
Ooh. They might try sabotage him for true, you know. Yeah, man. All right, go on.
No be your puppy, don't give me God. Agenda, every day.
Hold on.
I no be your puppy, don't give me God. You will be there all the day. Sabotage, then try sabotage. I no be your puppy, don't give me God. Agenda, everyday agenda.
Hold on. Yeah, we can't make this pass. So it says sabotage. They might try sabotage. And out of your pocket, don't. Give me card. No. This attack is serious, you know. So, when a man say take out your hand out of your pocket, no give me card. He might try make it no say. No try con him. Don't try two-time him. Don't try scam him. So, come out with the hand out of your pocket. Let me see you and talk to me. Now, we in a Jamaica, I see him thing where I go say. Nobody come card me. But this is all him talking there. Don't give me card. Because when a man give you a card, is the figure says to make you know say you are trying to trick you. Because you know the 3 card man them in a Jamaica are me not know about the rest of the world, but the 3 card man are some of the biggest scanners them. When they chup. Yeah. Anyway, go on, Shatta Wale. Yeah, go on.
I no be your puppy, don't give me God. Agenda, every day try sabotage. I no be your puppy, don't give me God. Agenda, everyday agenda.
Yeah.
$5K for just my cigar.
5K figures massacre. Me I wonder if the real massacre matter because me not talk the musical massacre, you know. Cause 5K for massacre. I mean no money no worth the massacre, but 5K a little bit of money, brother. Anyway, go on.
If you no be hustlers, you no get out to predict better agenda, everyday agenda. $5K for just my cigar. All of you no be hustlers, you no get out to predict better change your mattress. Send who you want, send I go back to them. Check my records, me I know the lose. I no be industry boy. I dey repeat, I no be industry boy. So anything with me I say, I know they watch TV or radio. I say fuck your games.
And I go again with the industry business. Me don't know if Shatta Wale get any fight in the industry for real. As me said, the only person me know him have issues with is Stone Boy. So me don't know. I don't know if he must sing it like basically from a experience or him just get a good beat for write a song pan. But me I tell you say the song deep in general. You never have to listen to the words, but the song is so deep. Because this sound like a man who sing from him heart. Anyway, go on, Shatta Wale.
You no go fi show me nothing. Bring horse, I go bring my tortoise. On God, me I promise. You go be there all the day. If you don't know, you for ask, stop rushing. This city, the scene it brushing. On God, me I promise. You go be there all the day. You no go fi show me nothing. Cross, I go bring my tortoise. On God, me I promise. You go be there all the day. If you don't know, you for ask, stop rushing. This city, the scene it brushing. On God, me I promise. You go be there all the day.
Song done. Song done. Let me tell you, that song is so deep, so inspiring, so emotional. Yes. And I don't know if Shatta Wale, as I said before, I don't know if he has any run-ins with the musical industry or any industry at all that try to keep him down. But mainly when the song him talk about is how the music industry try to hold him down. Or try to blacklist him. So I don't know if that's a real experience or he must sing it on behalf of some people in the industry, because that is a real issue. Then he started out by talking about the lashes, and so it's a affirmation of resilience, determination, and triumph. That's what the song really about, and I love it. Shatta Wale, I love it. Now, let me come back to home, which is Jamaica. And me talk about with artists. This type of song, this type of rhythm or beat, it would fit with one Jamaican artist, and it's Chronicler. A Chronicler, I see, would have, where a Jamaica would have do a song where fit in that same type of mood and melody here. But here the difference between Chronicler type of songs and this type of song. Now, Chronicler have one of the widest vocabulary in a music industry right now, in a dancehall industry right now. But Chronicler vocabulary, it's centered around three things. The gun, and not three now more, you know. Gun, girls, drugs, gathering, and some other dark stuffs. And now, when me I talk about, why me say that is to say, this song here can last so long because it has so much in it where can make it be appeasing to so many fans, right? When you go to Chronic Law songs them now, you have to either beep out some or you can't play certain places. So wait, it's stunted the growth of some real powerful song where Chronic Law have. Right? Because of the whole things them when factor in him song. Make it become so dark, gothic, and medieval type of business. Where as a man with a vocabulary like that and such a unique type of wordplay skills, him should be able to write like do songs when I have so much of that in a hit and make come show versatility in your music. And this is what me not see with Chronic Law as compared to this. Me love a song, me really rate it, I respect it. You understand me? Shatta Wale is a good writer. And although me I compare the song with the whole Chronic Law thing, is not a means of saying who better than who. It's just as me say, me not take nothing from the song. It's a bad song. So people, this is not all about me in the business. Me want to know what you think about it as well. What you think about the comment, what you think about the review. Let me know. And as usual, this is Duke Creek from Bars Beats saying, have that.